Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a scarf stylist at Liberty London. I'm going to show you some easy styles, how to tie a scarf in your hair for the day or for a holiday or for a special occasion using 90 by 90 Liberty London silk scarves. This one is a beautiful scarf called the Garden Gate. It's a beautiful shade of cream which really lights up your face when you wear it. I'm going to show you how to tie this beautiful Salisbury print, which used to be a wallpaper print originally, but too pretty to keep as wallpaper, as a beautiful sort of Gatsby-worthy turban on your hair, perfect for parties and after dark. I'm going to style this scarf now. It's a collaboration with Richard Quinn, a very exciting young designer. I'm going to do a very cool, simple turban that you can just wear every day, beach or city, or even to work.